awesome sauce?
Scene 1, Apple, take 1.
What's up everybody, how's it going out there? So in this video I want to show you a trick that I came up with a long time ago. Sometimes when you have a tire that's like this, where it's got to make a seal around the rim, it's really hard to get it to actually seal. And you know, if your compressor doesn't have enough oomph behind it, you'll never have that burst of air that will cause this to go up against the walls of the rim. So what I want to do is show you a trick that I had come up with years ago to basically make it where you can even use a bicycle pump and you'll be able to make that seal. So what you want to do is you want to get a strap that basically is a ratchet, okay? The type that you'd use for your truck. If you have a wheelbarrow, more than likely you got a truck or you've got some of these tie-down straps, okay? And you want to wrap this around the tire. All right. See if we can get this hooked up on here. Very good. Get this wrapped around. And now what we want to do, if I can get this to kind of spin a little bit, yep, like that, is we want to go ahead and ratchet this and put pressure around the outside of the tire. And by doing so, it's going to force everything right up against the rim like that. And then now I should be able to kind of come in here and get this started, which it looks like I was able to do that. Pop that up. Yeah, so I was able to get that started. And a lot of times, man, if it's really yeah, see, a lot of times if that thing is really flat, you're going to have a really hard time getting it started. But that guy's good now. That's my trick. Hopefully that will help you out. This has helped me many a times, especially after, like, if you have concrete or something inside there and it sets for a day or two, and then at the end of the weekend you have a flat tire and it's holding its shape. This is a great way to get that tire pumped up where you're not frustrated with it. Anyway guys, that's that. If you like this video, make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, drink some iced tea. It's really hot out here. So until next time guys, talk to you later.